Hi everyone, in today's Mindfulness Fun Facts, I'm going to be sharing with you on how mindfulness can help you with your focus. So once you start practicing mindfulness for yourself, you'll be able to start acknowledging the thoughts that are coming in to kind of distract you in a way. And once you are able to acknowledge these thoughts coming in and not attach yourself to these thoughts or these feelings that are arising, you'll be able to just gently let them go. Of course, there will be thoughts that are coming ever so often, so you just have to start practicing, and it's just like doing like one rep at the gym, right? You have to keep doing it in order to get stronger, but in this case you're training and you're working on your mind, and as you practice this more, you'll be able to develop your focus and sustain it for a longer period of time. And it doesn't have to be just seated down, it can just be a walk in the park, just heading out, enjoying nature, and just being at that present moment at that point of time, breathing in and enjoying what's around you and your surroundings, and just work with that.